Hello, welcome to Edubbey dynamic page. Today, let us look at decentralized storage coins, redefining data storage infrastructure. 1. Introduction. Rising demand for data storage. With the exponential growth of digital data, there is an increasing need for efficient, secure, and decentralized storage solutions. Decentralized storage coins leverage blockchain technology to provide a decentralized alternative to traditional centralized storage services. 2. Principles of decentralized storage. Peer-to-peer network. Decentralized storage platforms operate on peer-to-peer, P2P, networks, where users contribute their unused storage space and bandwidth to store and retrieve data. Data redundancy and distribution. Data is divided into encrypted fragments and distributed across multiple nodes in the network, ensuring redundancy, fault tolerance, and resistance to censorship or single points of failure. 3. Key features of decentralized storage coins. Security and privacy. Decentralized storage coins employ encryption, cryptographic hashing, and other security measures to protect data privacy and integrity, ensuring that only authorized users can access and modify stored data. Incentive mechanisms. Users who contribute storage resources to the network are rewarded with native tokens or other incentives, encouraging participation, network growth, and data availability. Interoperability. Decentralized storage coins aim to be interoperable with existing storage protocols and applications, allowing seamless integration with decentralized applications, dApps, smart contracts, and other blockchain-based platforms. 4. Advantages of decentralized storage coins. Resilience and redundancy. Decentralized storage platforms offer greater resilience and redundancy compared to centralized storage services, as data is distributed across multiple nodes and immune to single points of failure or server outages. Cost efficiency. Decentralized storage coins can provide cost-effective storage solutions by leveraging idle storage capacity and eliminating the need for expensive infrastructure and maintenance costs associated with centralized data centers. Data sovereignty. Users retain control and ownership of their data in decentralized storage networks, eliminating reliance on third-party service providers and reducing the risk of data breaches, surveillance, or unauthorized access. 5. Use cases for decentralized storage coins. File storage and sharing. Decentralized storage coins enable secure and censorship-resistant file storage and sharing, offering individuals and organizations a decentralized alternative to traditional cloud storage services. Content delivery networks, CDNs. Decentralized storage networks can be used to create decentralized content delivery networks, CDNs, improving the performance, reliability, and scalability of web applications and multimedia content delivery. Blockchain data storage. Decentralized storage coins provide a secure and reliable storage solution for blockchain networks, storing transaction data, smart contracts, and other blockchain-related information in a decentralized and immutable manner. 6. Challenges and considerations. Scalability. Scalability remains a challenge for decentralized storage networks, as the growth of data storage demands requires efficient consensus algorithms, network optimization, and storage incentives to scale effectively. Data privacy and security. Ensuring data privacy, security, and compliance with regulatory requirements are critical considerations for decentralized storage solutions, requiring robust encryption, access controls, and audit trails to protect sensitive information. User experience. Improving the user experience and accessibility of decentralized storage platforms is essential to drive mainstream adoption, including intuitive interfaces, seamless integration with existing applications, and reliable performance. 7. Future outlook. Market growth. The decentralized storage market is expected to continue growing as demand for secure, censorship-resistant data storage solutions increases, driven by trends such as data privacy concerns, digital transformation, and the adoption of blockchain technology. Technological innovation. Ongoing technological innovations, such as sharding, erasure coding, and distributed consensus mechanisms, will further enhance the scalability, efficiency, and reliability of decentralized storage networks, paving the way for widespread adoption and integration into the digital economy. 8. Conclusion. Empowering data ownership. Decentralized storage coins are revolutionizing the data storage landscape by offering users greater control, privacy, and security over their digital assets. As decentralized storage platforms continue to evolve and mature, They have the potential to disrupt traditional storage paradigms and empower individuals and organizations to take ownership of their data in a decentralized and censorship-resistant manner.